Today, we're making one of our favorite Italian dishes, scaloppine al limone, tender chicken in a creamy lemon butter sauce. Simple, bright, and full of Mediterranean flavor. For this recipe, you'll need chicken thighs, butter, fresh lemons, flour, rosemary salt, sage, and good quality olive oil. We start by slicing the chicken thighs into thin cutlets. Then, using a kitchen mallet, we gently pound them until they are even. This makes the meat tender and helps it cook perfectly. In a pan, we melt a bit of butter with olive oil over medium heat. We lightly coat each piece of chicken in flour, shaking off the excess, and then place them into the hot pan. While it's cooking, we season with rosemary salt and flip each piece once golden. Then we add a little more salt, a touch of black pepper, and let it cook through beautifully. We finally chop some fresh sage, and add it straight to the pan. Then we squeeze the juice of fresh lemons over the chicken and stir it all together. The aroma is just incredible. And here it is, scaloppine al limone, tender chicken in a zesty, buttery lemon sauce, perfect with roasted vegetables or a light salad. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more delicious Italian dishes from our kitchen.